How to see WhatsApp profile picture if not in contact. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys if you're able to see the WhatsApp profile picture if they are not in your contacts. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your WhatsApp and then search for the contact or search for the person whose profile picture you want to see. You could just search for the number and then it will pop up on your screen. And then from here, you could just tap on them. As you can see, WhatsApp does not allow you to take screenshot or anything of the profile picture. So as you can see, for privacy reasons, you're not able to take screenshots. But if you want to see if you're able to see the profile picture of someone that's not on your contacts, then you could ask a mutual friend to add both of you in a group like this. And once you are in a group, you can just tap on it and tap on the members. Now head over to group members, and if the other person has allowed you to see their profile picture, then you will be able to see this. So let me just show you guys. If I just quickly head over to my settings and then tap on privacy, and here on the profile photo privacy, if they have set this to everyone, then you will be able to see it. Otherwise, if they have set this to my contacts or nobody, then you won't be able to see your profile picture. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.